We often look at the world around us and marvel at its beauty, its complexity, and the many wonders it holds. But here's the truth: the greatest miracle of all isn't something far away in the universe. It's right inside of you. Your mind is a miraculous tool, a source of infinite potential, and you are its creator. Every thought you have, every belief you form, and every action you take has the power to shape your life and the world around you in incredible ways. Your mind is more powerful than you can imagine. It's not just a place where thoughts pop up. It's a creative force that can turn the impossible into reality. Think about it. Every invention, every achievement, every great change in history began with a thought. The chair you're sitting in, the phone in your hand, the food on your table, all of it was once just an idea in someone's mind. But your mind isn't just limited to logical thinking and problem solving. It's also the source of your emotions, your dreams, your hopes, and the energy that drives you. It shapes your perspective of the world and influences how you interact with it. And the best part? Your mind can be trained, directed, and focused to create the life you desire. Your mind doesn't just receive information, it creates reality. Just like an artist uses a blank canvas to create a masterpiece, you use your thoughts and imagination to create your life. Every belief you hold, every desire you focus on, and every emotion you feel sends a powerful message into the universe, shaping the world around you in ways that might seem miraculous. Miracles aren't just the stuff of fairy tales or ancient legends. They're possible in our everyday lives. The idea that miracles are something rare, magical, and beyond our control is a myth. In reality, you have the power to create your own miracles. It starts with recognizing the incredible potential within you. Every thought you think, every decision you make, and every action you take can shape the life you desire. This is not magic. It's the power of your mind and spirit. Miracles aren't random surprises that happen just because we're good or because we wish hard enough for them. Miracles happen because our minds have the power to create them. It's the power of focus, awareness, and belief. When we're truly aware of the possibilities around us, when we believe in the potential for greatness, that's when miracles happen. Miracles often begin with one simple yet profound thing: belief. It's not about believing in the impossible, but about believing that anything is possible and that you are capable of achieving it. When you change the way you think about yourself and the world around you, you open doors to opportunities you never thought existed. Think about the times in your life when you believed in something so strongly that nothing could stop you. Maybe it was a personal goal, a relationship, or a dream. When you believed with all your heart, you took action. You didn't let doubts hold you back. And when you stayed focused and determined, you found that amazing things started to happen. This is how miracles work. They are the natural result of a mindset shift, a change from doubt to belief, from fear to confidence. You don't have to wait for miracles to happen to you. You can create them. It's all about shifting your mindset, focusing on what you truly want, and trusting in your ability to bring it to life. When you believe that you are capable of creating change, that's when the real magic begins. Your thoughts are powerful. They shape how you see yourself in the world, and they influence the actions you take. Think of thoughts as seeds. What you plant in your mind will grow into your future. If you plant seeds of self-doubt, fear, or negativity, you'll end up with a harvest of frustration and limitation. But if you plant seeds of confidence, positivity, and possibility, you can create a life full of abundance and joy. Your beliefs are the foundation of your mind's power. What you believe becomes your reality. If you believe that you are capable of achieving greatness, your mind will work tirelessly to find ways to make that belief come true. If you believe that you are stuck or that things will never change, your mind will find ways to keep you where you are. Once you have the belief that miracles are possible, the next step is to take action. Dreams and desires aren't just meant to be imagined, they are meant to be realized. But for them to become a reality, you must act with intention and purpose. Every small step you take toward your goal is part of creating a miracle. It could be as simple as making a phone call, starting a new project, learning something new, or taking a leap of faith. It's about putting yourself in motion, even when the path ahead is uncertain. Miracles don't usually come to those who sit and wait for them to appear. Instead, they come to those who step forward with courage, even when things seem impossible. When you trust in your ability to create change and take steps to make that change happen, you are actively creating miracles in your life. One of the easiest ways to invite more miracles into your life is by practicing gratitude. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you don't have to what you already have. When you focus on the blessings in your life, you raise your vibration and align with positive energy. Gratitude is also a way to recognize the miracles that are already happening around you. Even in challenging times, there is always something to be thankful for: a lesson, a moment of peace, a small success. The more you practice gratitude, the more you begin to notice how life is constantly working in your favor, guiding you toward what you need. Gratitude magnifies the energy of abundance. It signals to the universe that you are open to receiving more. By focusing on what you already have, you make space for even greater things to come your way. Visualization is another powerful tool that helps you create miracles in your life. It's about imagining the life you want with all the clarity and detail you can muster. When you can picture yourself living your dream or achieving your goal, you start to believe it's possible. And when you believe it's possible, you begin to take the actions needed to make it a reality. Here's how it works. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Picture yourself already having achieved your dream. See the sights, feel the emotions, hear the sounds. Get as specific as possible. What does success look like to you? What would your life feel like once your miracle happens? By visualizing your dreams, you are sending a clear message to your mind and the universe. This is the life I want. When you visualize your goals daily, you start to attract the resources, people, and opportunities that align with your vision. One of the biggest obstacles to creating miracles is limiting beliefs. These are the thoughts and beliefs that tell you what you can't do, what's not possible, or what you're not worthy of achieving. They can keep you stuck and prevent you from moving forward. The truth is, you are worthy of all the good things you desire. You have everything you need inside you to create miracles. The key is to recognize and challenge those limiting beliefs. Ask yourself, what beliefs are holding me back? Where am I limiting my own potential? Once you identify these limiting beliefs, you can replace them with empowering ones. For example, if you believe that I'm not good enough or I'll never be successful, replace these thoughts with I am worthy of success and I am capable of achieving my dreams. The more you replace negative beliefs with positive ones, the more you open yourself up to miracles. Trust that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. Sometimes the universe has a bigger plan for you, and the timing is just perfect, even if it doesn't feel like it in the moment. The key is to keep believing, keep working, and keep moving forward with faith that your miracle is on its way. The truth is, you are the creator of your own life. Your mind is miraculous, and you are capable of making miracles happen every single day. It all begins with your thoughts and beliefs. When you believe in your own power, you unlock the infinite possibilities that exist within you. You have the power within you to create the life of your dreams. Whether it's a goal, a vision, or a desire you have, you can make it happen. Miracles begin with your thoughts, your beliefs, and your actions. When you believe in yourself, take inspired action, stay grateful, and trust the process, you will begin to see the miracles unfold in your life. You are the miracle maker. Thanks for listening.